Hey, sweet lovers. This is going to be one of your favorite episodes on Flavor Box ever. Let's find out what we have in the box. Oh, wow. I mean, the colors pop, the salt on top. My God, the creaming on the inside. We are making a beautiful coconut cupcake with a finish of buttercream and a little bit of sea salt just to break down on that sweetness. Tell you what, this is gonna blow your mind. Let's go make this together. All right, so to make these beautiful sweet cupcakes, we're making coconut cupcakes. So we have coconut in there, we have our flour, we have our butter, we have our zest, we have baking powder, we have 2 eggs, sugar, and then some cream on the side, some milk rather on the side. So what we're going to do is to start by making the cream. So I want the sugar right there and the butter. It's very important for you to start by putting the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients together. So I'll flip this, that's the sugar and the butter. And then when you have all these dry ingredients going into one bowl, have that also go in there, coconut, desiccated coconut, and then I'll put a little bit of those guys in there, and then the baking powder in there. So there we go. Also remember that my flour was sieved just to get out all those impurities and lumps within the flour, so that's perfect. So I'll flip this and then start creaming up my sugar gently. And then in one bowl, we're gonna use 2 eggs. You need to break this in a bowl and not break them over your creamed up butter, because you have got to check if that egg is good in the inside. So all right, egg number 2. So with this done, now we are ready to combine the dry into the wet. Mix them gently. Your milk in there, again gently. So these are going to go into the oven in our cups that we have right here. All right, so you want to make sure you have an equal distribution in each of these. All right, so exactly after 25 minutes, we have our cupcakes. And then finish them with anything that you have. I'm gonna use this very nice colored beans here with a sweet and flavor going over it. We want to make sure we add a little bit of salt. That's my trick to the cupcakes. Let's go in, man. Oh my God. Oh.